Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the cherry pitter. Introducing the ultimate cherry pitter, your go-to tool for enjoying cherries without the hassle. Perfect for home chefs, fruit enthusiasts, and anyone who loves the sweet, juicy taste of fresh cherries. Say goodbye to the tedious task of removing cherry pits by hand when making dishes for others. This cherry pitter makes the process quick and easy, so you can enjoy making pies, jams, and drizzle recipes faster. Made from high-quality material, this cherry pitter is built to last. It's sturdy enough to handle any cherry variety, ensuring you get perfect results every time. This versatile pitter can also be used for olives, making it a must-have in any kitchen. Simply place the cherry in the holder, press the handle, and the pit is removed. You're left with a perfect pit-free cherry ready to eat or use in your favorite recipes. Upgrade your kitchen toolkit and enjoy the delicious taste of fresh, pit-free cherries effortlessly. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.